Here's a smoothie recipe to get you out of your goddamn mind. Hey everyone, what's up? It's Alfio, and today we're making a green smoothie that is great for weight loss and digestion. Let's check out what we're using today for this green smoothie. We're going to be adding 2 handfuls of spinach. You can add as many handfuls as you want. You can add any green, any leafy green of your choice, but spinach is extremely high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, vitamin A, and vitamin C. For our liquid, we'll be adding coconut water, a natural electrolyte and full of potassium. 2 cups of mangoes and 1 frozen banana. Make sure your bananas are ripe and speckled just like this before you freeze them. Mangoes are good for digestion and alkalizing. Half of a cucumber. And we're just gonna half the half and dice it for the quarter. Voila. Damn. Everyone, check this out. This smoothie is great. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up below, comment for what you'd like to see next, and subscribe to stay in the loop for more.